Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing possible longer-term visa options for foreign nationals looking to come to Thailand. And, long and the short of it, in a sense, for those that are just coming for the first time, there really is no what we would call permanent visa option or long-term visa option, in the sense that any longer term option, so 1 year or more, it's going to be in the non-immigrant category. It's effectively not possible to come into Thailand as an immigrant visa holder, just from the gate. You have to be in Thailand for a prolonged period of time to gain permanent residence. So understand, these are all non-immigrant categories. Now, as we've discussed in other videos, for example, the Thailand Elite Visa, that's an option that a number of folks decide to pursue because they want to take advantage of the fact you can buy those in 5-year increments, your membership in 5-year increments, up to 20 years, most of those packages, and that's very appealing to some folks. But again, it's a non-immigrant visa. It still has to be renewed on a yearly basis, even though presumably, it's got a 5-year validity. You either have to leave the country once a year or you have to go down and deal with the extension. So in a very real sense, and again, business visas, marriage visas, retirement visas, these are all, while long-term in nature, they have a temporary overtone to them, a temporary theme. You're a non-immigrant. You're not an immigrant to Thailand. And for that reason, it's best to look at it through that paradigm. Now, or through that lens, I should say. Now, that doesn't mean that you can't be here a long period of time. I know a number of business visa holders that have come in and been in Thailand for years, if not decades. Same with retirees. And some folks opt to eventually get permanent residence if they become eligible and apply for that, and then they're a PR, and then they're basically done ever leaving Thailand. So again, it's factually dependent, it's circumstantially dependent, but just keep in the back of your mind that the notion of long-term kind of has an asterisk next to it, and there's some caveats associated with that.